Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning and my dashboard layout, which is my social media. It is for the week of July 12th through the 18th. I am going to be using a scrapbook paper, so I am going to be ripping some paper to create the spread. I found this eucalyptus beautiful paper with plants and leaves, and as you guys know, I really love plants and leaves and stuff like that, so I wanted to use it. I am going to be using my adhesive tape, and I'm just going to be attaching pieces of scrapbook paper to my page. As always, I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you just found me and you are brand new, welcome. I am so excited you found me. I hope you like it here. Okay, it's time to rip more of this beautiful paper out. I'm going to be doing some folds to see where I need to tear it. I don't want to really use scissors because I think it gives it like such a fun ripped vibe. It's different. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more of the scrapbook paper to the top. I'm just making sure I can cover up that schedule box because I don't want that brown showing. So let me go ahead and add that, and I think that might work. So for this one, I'm gonna use the zig pen to make sure I get all of the crevices that I need. And then that part on the top edge and the side edge I will cut to make sure that it's nice and even. The part on the spread, I do want to make sure it's a little bit jagged, so I'm just cutting out holes to make sure that it can go back into my planner. And I'm just framing the whole page because I really like how that looks. I know that for some of you it might be too much. I really like how it frames the page with the smaller pieces. Looking at this, it just brings me so much joy that I needed to do it. Okay, I'm gonna add a tiny little piece in between those two to connect it. Beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna just rip this and make it into like a different effect. I really like this, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the edge of the page I created. And essentially, once that's done, you could leave it like this It's perfectly fine. It's beautiful. Look how pretty this is. So I could technically leave it like this and it would be fine, but I'm going to go ahead and grab some stickers and add some stickers into this spread and make it even more different. So here we go. I waited a day for everything to dry and kind of adhere, and I'm back. These stickers, I just have a couple loose sheets, but this is from the Fun Florals, in case you're looking for it, towards the back. And look how well these leaves match. So I just thought I'm gonna add some of this and some of the colorful boxes that match in color. And I think that might add a little bit pizzazz to the center of pages. I'm just matching colors, making sure that these will match when I put them down on the page. I don't want things to kind of change the feel of the page. So I'm just adding a couple boxes with some leaves. Look, it's almost looking like it's coming off of the scrapbook paper. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, I really love how that looks. Okay, a few more leaves. This one I'm going to layer where the bottom is underneath the sticker and the top is on top. So here we go. Okay, so one more box for Sunday for all of my videos, and I think that's going to be pretty good. I'm just gonna add a few florals or a few plants kind of throughout to make sure that it's looking finished. Excuse me. I think I need something right up there as well. So I'm going to take one of those wreaths and work with those. Beautiful. And I'm gonna put that right up there. Okay, what do you guys think about this spread? I hope you enjoyed it. I love spreads like this with full greenery, and I really enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.